Hey y'all, so we are back with a wig tutorial. This video is sponsored by Cynosure Hair. This is Cynosure Hair. I've never worked with them before. This is my first time working with them. They sent me over a glueless highlighting unit. I really needed a new highlighting unit, so this came just in time. We have a bag of goodies. They give you some really pretty lashes. So yes, there is a wig brush in here. You have 2 pairs of lashes in the bag, and then they give you a cap and a lace band. This wig is gorgeous. It's pre-curled. Okay, this is a really gorgeous unit, and I like how it's more black than highlight. I like my highlight to look really subtle. So yeah, baby, this one gonna be cute. No glue, no spray. Okay, we ain't even gotta worry about all that. All we gotta do is plop it on. They do have these new sticky tabs inside the lace. Right, so if you look inside of the lace, you do have 2 tabs on the side to assist you with securing your wig, so you don't have to worry about glue or spray or anything like that. And then there is a band inside of the wig. You do have a comb at the bottom as well as on the sides. This looks like a full frontal, y'all. Like, do y'all see how much space this is? It's so pretty. Oh, they did that. I need whatever curling iron they have. This is so cute. So we're gonna plop this baby on. Use our ear tabs. I'm gonna cut the lace in the back. There is a little bit of lace back here, so I'm going to add just a little bit of foundation to the lace. Really not too much, because I really prefer to tint my cap instead of the wig. So we're gonna take the tabs on the side. As you can see, there's a blue sticker, and we're just gonna peel it off. I'm really used to applying my lace stickers on my skin and then applying my wigs. However, if you can see how this creator did it, once you take off the blue film, it is going to leave a clear pass on the lace for you to just stick it to your wig. But it's definitely there. I can definitely feel it. It's snug. So these little tapes, they work, girl. They definitely work. Go ahead and add a little bit of oil to the hair. Can give it that shine. I am gonna have to cut some layers in this wig. It's very the hair, especially in the front. So this is gorgeous. Just love the color. It is definitely giving custom wig. It looks like I paid a lot of money for this wig to have it custom. Baby, I did cut a little bit of layers. I want this side to lay a little bit better. What you're looking for, baby, I highly recommend this wig. It's really, they really outdid themselves. Like, this is a gorgeous just look at that. It's one of those red carpet wigs, okay? Baby, don't sleep on Cynosure hair. Did not have to add any glue. All I have is those ear tabs on the side, which are working really, really well. I've honestly never came across a wig with those ear tabs, so I didn't know what to expect, but they are holding the wig pretty nice. I didn't add any glue. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love y'all. I love y'all so much, and thank you so much for watching today's video. I'll see y'all in the next one.